Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Hey, listen, man. While everybody was out here worried about these off-white things, the boy was locked in. I wasn't missing out, bro. And y'all see it right here, man. Y'all see another Kobe box. And y'all know for 2026, I said that one thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be adding Kobe's to the collection. And it might not be a lot of Jordan and other sneakers that I'm gonna be buying this year. But one thing I will be copping is Kobe's. And this one right here dropped on a random day. It dropped on a Monday. But I like everything that they did execution wise with this sneaker. The Air Forces and stuff like that and the dunks, you can miss me with that, but this one right here is actually one that Kobe wore. I don't recall him wearing it on the court, but he did wear it, and we're gonna talk about that during this review. Hey, without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox and talk about the Kobe 5 Protro Lower Merion Aces away things, man. Hey, let's talk about it. All right, so before we get off into this content, make sure you guys go ahead and hit the subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. As you guys can see right here, we do have a black Kobe box. We got the reptilian skin with the Kobe logo. Before we really get off into talking about this sneaker, this shoe, it's been 16 years since we've seen this sneaker, and as you guys can see on the screen, this is a picture of Kobe. I don't remember him wearing it on court, but I do know that they did like a little promotion for it or whatever. This is a picture of him in it, and then this is the sneaker right here, and they're calling this one the Lower Merion PE because they did do a little bit of differences, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that what those are right now. So as you guys can see right here, on the back end of these things, you see a ace right here because he was a Lower Merion Aces. That was the name of his high school. And then you got the number 33, and that was his school jersey number. So they did that on the back end of it, and on the inside of the sneaker as well. You see it says 2026, and then of course it has the updated Protro stuff. Now, for this sneaker, it's paying homage to 1996. Kobe won their first championship. Took his high school team to their first state championship in 53 years. The rest is history, so that's paying homage to that. So yeah, man, I think they executed perfectly fine with this sneaker. And for those of you that's watching that was not aware, this is actually a sneaker, a Protro, a sneaker that Kobe wore. Yeah, it is, man. So yeah, anyway, now here go the boxes. You guys can see Kobe logo, reptilian skin right there. We got on the right here the size tag. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to legit check your pair. There you go right there. This is a size 12 metallic silver team red. If you are not familiar with Kobe sizes, go a size up or a half a size up. Do not go true to size. Any of these things are gonna be disappointed. Opening up the top, we do have that black and gold Mamba reptilian skin paper. That is gonna be it for the box. Now we're gonna get this box out of the way, and let's go ahead and take a look at these shoes, man. Like I said, the Lower Merion Kobe's. Super clean. Kobe 5 is one of my favorite Kobe silhouettes, but as you guys can see right here, we got that burgundy Nike swoosh on the side. We got a predominantly like a silver, platinum silver colorway right there, and then you got the gray mesh netting. You got the Kobe logo in that maroon burgundy color. You got the ace on the left one, as I stated. On the bottom, we do have, this is more like a translucent, as you guys can see right there, bottom right there on the forefront of the sneaker, the Mamba logo in that burgundy, and then the white. You see the zoom on the side, Nike Air Zoom. Going across the toe box, typical, like I said, just that platinum silver, 10-man silver on these things. You have the burgundy and silver laces right there, and then on the tongue, you do have the Mamba logo on the tongue. None of this is reflective, by the way, just the FYI. None of this is reflective. In the side of the shoe, you got the exact same thing. You have a white insole with the burgundy Mamba logo, the burgundy sock liner right here. This is going to be your right one. And you got the 33 on the back, like I said, his jersey number right here on this one. On the inside of the tongue, you do have that 2026 inside of the tongue, papers for the shoe trees in there. And just all in all, man, in my opinion, I like everything that they did when it comes to this shoe. Super clean. Not a bad sneaker at all. Let me see if I can go out in the sunlight. So as you guys can see right here in some natural light, this is what it looks like as we take it outside. You know what I'm saying? The metallic silver does stand out on these things. Just super clean sneaker in my humble opinion. But y'all comment down below and let me know y'all thoughts and opinions. Is this something that y'all want to pick up? Retail was $200. And as I stated in a lot of my other videos, if you're looking for Kobe's, you probably can get them for close to retail, man, because people that they're not going for them like that. Like, I didn't hear no buzz around this sneaker. Resale right now is like $260, $270, which is not bad. But y'all let me know down in the comment section what y'all think, man. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember, everything we talk about, just bait. We're from to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. KICKnology.